I thought I should say something about why I like the storm windows, and mainly the aluminum ones. So first of all, they're aluminum, they're very strong. They're, in addition, the screens in these are very tough. They're metal, they're not, you can't just rip them easy. Very strong, and they're very paintable. So we were able to take these older storm windows and make them look really good. And a few screws and they're in, and a few screws and they're out, although they sometimes stick. So another reason I like them a lot, it gives you 2 layers, so that's the main reason people think about. But in addition, it's protecting the main window. So once I put this storm window on, it's going to go right here. So anything from here in is now protected. And the same way with down here. So the only thing going to be exposed is from here out. This will be now protected. So that's another reason I like the storm windows, and I kind of wish I could get this one on, but I can't. And the same way with this one, I can't. I'm not ready to put it back on, so I really can't put it on yet. But I will as soon as I can. So these old storm windows, don't dismiss them. They're, in my opinion, they're very good, and especially if they're already on your house and you want to make them look great, there's some work you can do to them. Of course, new windows also look great, but you know, budget's always a concern. Okay, so that's 2 cents on these aluminum storm windows, and they've been pretty much abandoned. You don't really see them for sale much anymore, but the older homes have them on. A lot of them do. Okay, my 2 cents on the aluminum storm windows. Not the easiest to work, I'll admit. They come up kind of hard. We usually open it for the summer, and then right before winter we'll go around and close them all. And usually it's a task that I do, because they do come up hard. They're not easy to open typically, but it's still, I think, valuable.